Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, you are welcome in my channel. I invite you to subscribe. After that, I want to say, in my channel, inshallah, I will present the Arabic language in the easiest way as possible for new Muslims and non-Muslims. Because if you were Muslim, so you have to learn Arabic in order to speak, not speaking, somehow, let's say, to read Al-Quran and for pray, because you need to learn Arabic to pray and reading Quran. Inshallah, in my channel, I will present the Arabic language in the easiest way as possible. First of all, I don't know if you know or not. Anyway, I will tell you. Our father Adam was speaking Arabic in the paradise. The Arabic language is the mother of all the language in the world. All the language in the world are derived from the Arabic language. So, every Muslim has to learn Arabic to pray and read the Quran. And for not Muslims, it is honor to me to follow, also to learn Arabic if you want that. If you want to learn more language to help you in your life, in your business, in your whatsoever, my channel, inshallah, will be suitable for you all. Let's begin. In Arabic, we have 27 letters. They are Alif. Try to pronounce Alif. This is Alif. This is Hamza. Hamza. Inshallah, we will talk about all. Alif. Ba. 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 Try to pronounce after me, please. Ba. Ba has 1 point. Ba, point 1. Ta. Ta. Ta has 2 points. To be more easier to save, ta 2 points. Ta 2 points. Ba 1 point. Ba 1 point. Ta 2 points. Tha. Tha 3 points. Tha 3 points. Tha 3 points. Try to pronounce tha. Tha. As we pronounce thank you, tha. Jim. 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 Ha. 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 The name of the letter, let's say ba, but we don't read it ba, we read it b. Ta, we don't read it ta, we read it t. Th. J. But the name of the letter is Jim, but we pronounce it and read it in the word J. Ha. 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 Kha. Kh. Kha. Kh. Kha. Kh. Dal. 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 Dhal. Dhal. We pronounce it as we say this. Dhal. This. Dhal. Dha. Ra. 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 R. R. Try to pronounce after me, please. Zay. 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 Z. Sin. 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 S. S. Sheen. Sheen has 3 points. Sheen. Sheen, like we pronounce shine. Sheen. Sad. It is a strong s. Let's say simple. Sad, it's strong. Dad. It is somehow strong D. Dal, let's say D in English. Dad, it's strong D. Dad. We pronounce it like that. Va. It is 1 point. Ain. Ghain. Fa. Qaf. 2 points. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Noon. Ha. Wow. The last letter is ya. Ya has 2 points. Ya. Ye. Like we pronounce year. Ye. Try to save it all. We will read it again. Alif. It is Hamza. It is Alif. It is Hamza. We sometimes use them together. Sometimes we don't use them together. We use them separately. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, ذال, ذا, را, زاي, زاي, سين, سين, شين, شين, صاد, ضاد, طه, ظ, عين, غين, غين, فاء, فاء فاء قاف 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 كاف 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 لام 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 ميم 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 نون 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 هاء 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 The last two letters واو 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 يا يا We pronounce like that yeah. This is all the Arabic alphabets. Inshallah, we will talk about in more details in the inshallah next videos. First, try to save it because we speak about the letters in more details inshallah. I hope for you the best. Good luck for everybody. I invite you to subscribe my channel, like and share. Good luck for everybody. Assalamu alaikum.